see you inside. Oh, bang, bang, bang. I think I've got that. Okay, we're outside Terminal 21 in To Bangkok. We're going to go go-karting at the new go-karting track here in Bangkok called Top Kart. Come with me and join me on this adventure. See you soon. Never been on motorbike.
Boat station เหรอ
ไปเพีย
boat station ไหมคลองหรือ boat
Yeah, Klong Pier. Just relax. Just relax. Here we are on the Klong, heading towards the Klong on a little motorbike. I think it's about 20 baht. Roughly to get there, and takes probably about 3 or 4 minutes, depending on traffic. Hopefully there's not too much. Okay, cooking carp. And here comes our ride. Jump on. Pratunam. And we have arrived at Pratunam. Now what you have to do, up to this bridge and turn right, I think. I'll get back to you. Okay, so to the top of the bridge, you come to the right. Outside the Palladium, you need to cross over at these traffic lights over here. And it's just at the end of this Palladium or Platinum. Palladium, I think it's called. Yeah, the Palladium. Cross over here. Straight across the road. So at this statue, you take a right, past McDonald's, and it's just at the end of this shopping centre. And here we are at Top Kart Racing. It looks like they're just about to go out on the track. Let's go in and have a closer look. pedestrian race walkway. And here they come by the looks of it. Heaps of car parks. Bloody empty. There's a few people up there though. Here they come. Alright. We will see you inside. Oh, bang, bang, bang. I think I've got that. I think you have to register here.
Race. But before you jump into your cart, it's time to go through the safety rules. Listen carefully. They're here to keep you safe and ready to race.
Fasten your helmet correctly. Close your visor to protect you from debris. It is forbidden to wear a scarf or floating clothing. Long hair must not exceed the helmet. Make sure your seatbelt.
Make that.
Cup and cup. Yeah, good, good, good. You're right. Are you going to steer? Let me steer. You ready to have a steer? Huh? You ready to have a steer? Yeah. Your turn. Your turn. Oh, not a good one. Someone's up the arse. Talking Kart. You right, Dal? How was that? Huh? Shit! Here, Jack.
Seven, keep going, station to thank you.
And just to prove, there I got third. With that rotten head on the right, mate. That was me. So there you go, guys. Top Kart in Bangkok. What a great experience. Me and the missus went on in a dual kart. We got third fastest speed out overall. Third fastest lap overall. What was it, I think? 39. There it is up there. 11.946. 41.75 was my fastest lap in the two kart. There you go. Highly recommend doing this, guys. Absolutely brilliant. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.